In this video, we will be explaining to you about how fiscal policy can be used to solve unemployment. Firstly, let's explain some of the key terms. What exactly is unemployment? Unemployment is defined as the situation in which people who are able and willing to work cannot find work. There are three main types of unemployment. First, we will talk about frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment is associated with normal labor turnover, immobility of labor, and imperfect market knowledge. It can also be referred as temporary or surge unemployment. Frictional unemployment occurs because it takes time for an unemployed worker to find a job. It can also be due to a lack of information concerning job opportunities. Next, we will be talking about structural unemployment. Structural unemployment results mainly from the immobility of resources when the structure of the economy changes or when there are permanent changes in the demand and supply conditions. This will result in a mismatch of skills possessed by retrenched workers and those required by the new industries.
Lastly, another type of unemployment is the cyclical unemployment. It is caused by the inadequate demand for a country's goods due to weak foreign and domestic demand. This may be brought about by economic downturns of trading partners or downturns in the domestic economy, which can be explained by the business cycle. Demand-side policies are focused on raising the aggregate demand so as to increase the production of goods and services. As labor is a derived demand, a rising production will mean increased demand for labor, translating into lower unemployment. Hence, by raising AD, cyclical unemployment can be reduced. One of the ways to reduce cyclical unemployment is to increase government expenditure on goods and services. This can be done by improving the healthcare sector, such as building more public hospitals. This will increase the government expenditure G. Since G is a component of AD, AD will increase and hence the AD curve will shift rightwards, leading to an increase in real national income. As we have said, because labor is a derived demand, cyclical unemployment can be reduced when national income rises. Another way to reduce cyclical unemployment is to increase government expenditure on transfer payments. Government can increase unemployment benefits by providing food vouchers and weekly unemployment allowances to the unemployed. This would also increase their purchasing power and hence cause an increase in the consumption expenditure. Since C is a component of AD, AD will increase and hence the AD curve will shift rightwards, leading to a rise in employment.
Cyclical unemployment can also be used by adjusting tax rates. The government can encourage more consumption by lowering the personal income tax rate because this will result in an increase of disposable income. Since C is a component of AD will increase and hence the AD curve will shift rightwards, leading to a rise in employment. The government can lower corporate taxes so as to raise the profits of firms, hence causing a rise in the investment component of AD. This will cause the AD curve to shift rightwards, leading to a rise in employment. The government can also raise import taxes so that the demand for domestic goods will increase. This will cause a rise in the C component and a fall in import expenditure. The AD curve will shift rightwards, leading to a rise in employment. Other than solving cyclical unemployment, how can fiscal policy be used to reduce frictional and structural unemployment? Fiscal policy can be used to reduce frictional unemployment through government initiatives. The government can establish employment agencies to provide information on jobs prospects to the unemployed. This can be done through newspapers or online databases. Fiscal policy can also be used to reduce structural unemployment. The government can provide and fund education, retraining facilities, and assistance to move natural resources and labor from depressed to expanding industries.
With that, we have come to the end of our video. Thank you.